Hello to all you bloggers and affiliate marketers out there. Today I want to show you what you can do as a Groupon affiliate. Now, if you are a real estate agent, a lot of you guys that are following my training are real estate agents because that's where I started. For you guys, hyper local marketing is going to be absolutely huge for your real estate website, okay? It is going to, one, show that you're the specialist in your area. I'm in Las Vegas. And it's going to bring in locals. It's going to bring in visitors from other states. These people are then on your website. Google stores a memory of them being on your website, which makes you come up more relevant for them in future searches. And you have the chance once they're there to make them offers on guides or free buyer's guide, free seller guides, market value, a local list, calendars, maps, whatever it is that you want to give them, so that you can build your mailing list. And you're also able to monetize it. This is where I think real estate agents have totally missed the boat on making a lot of money with their real estate websites besides just real estate. So I'm very grateful that I started hyperlocal blogging years ago, because now this website makes thousands of dollars outside of real estate. It makes money on ads, it makes money on affiliate links, all kinds of things. So let me give you an example here. So here we have, let's look at this one, Wet and Wild Water Park. So this is a water park we have here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And all I do is the same thing I do on every one of my blogs. I blog with the same format. I have an intro, I have a video, and the video is not made by me. I talk about how to do that in another training. And then I have my call to action button. I've got information about the Wet and Wild. Then you can see here, this little spot here, that's an ad. That's what, my ad company is slipping in there, or Google AdSense. And then I have a pin, so I can pin this. And if I scroll down, there's a map. All right, here. At the bottom here, and it's in my table of contents, so they can actually scroll down through table of contents. What you can see here is I've got a couple of things for them. One, Wet and Wild coupon. So I've got Ebates, and Ebates is something that offers cash back on Groupon deals even. You can stack some of these on top of each other, and Ebates has an affiliate program. Well, underneath that here, you see I've got Groupon. I'm going to show you how to do this. And then down here, I've got Viator. And Viator is a tour company. So they're a subsidiary of, is it Travelocity? It's one of those. And then anyway, they've got tours from all these different tour companies. They're like a directory for all the different tour companies. So I'm multi-layering this in. And guys, I mean, talk about value for your reader when you can give them coupons and deals when they're looking up information. All right. So this could be cleaner alignment here, but on a mobile, it looks absolutely smashing. All right. Anyway, some of the codes, we don't have as much customization in the design, and others we do. All right. So let me show you how we do this. So all I have to do is go over to my partner link that I have with Groupon. All right, there we go. You're going to go ahead and log in, and you're going to get yourself set up. Now, what I want to show you here is that you've got earn up to 10% on commission on Groupon purchases. You've got advanced tracking. You've got all kinds of great information here. And I can tell you today I pulled up the commission rates, and the hyper local things to do pay 10%. So guys, that's fantastic. That's great. Way better than you're going to get on your average Amazon things. Again, this is layers. I have hundreds of affiliate partners, and of course it's the 80-20 rule. 20% are paying the most in the affiliate income, and then you've got your outliers, right, which are 1 or 2% of the 100 that pay thousands of dollars a month. But it all depends on what you do, how you rank, how your social channels are. How are you driving traffic to your website? All right. So it's all based on traffic, regardless of how you generate the traffic. Once people are there, that's when you're going to get some affiliate link traction. All right, so all I have to do is I actually go over to any Groupon that I want. So this is how I start my day. Let's just say I'm going to go do an article today on something on Groupon. Okay, so this is exactly how I started my day today. I went to Groupon and I said, all right, let me look. You don't have to log in. Just go to Groupon and pull up your location. Now, if you're in a location that does not have Groupon or does not have a big area, obviously it's going to be a little bit more limiting. But go in there and take a look before you judge what's available and what's not available, okay? I mean, hyper-local, a lot of these places cover really small spots too. So I go down here to, I'm not going to look at deals of the day right now because those are going to be things that are going to expire. What I'm trying to find is Groupons that are going to last a while so that those links aren't going to go bad. That's really what I look for. So I'm starting off with my things to do. That's my project right now is my things to do. And then what you can do is you can actually sort this by popularity right here. So you can do top sellers, trending, or all. All right, so let's do top sellers. And this one is absolutely perfect. Madame Tussauds. Okay, now, if I don't already have that blog, I'll go in and write a blog about it. But I do, so I'm going to go down here to the Wax Museum. Oops, I spelled that wrong. So close. Okay, we're going to go down to the Wax Museum. And I'm going to scroll down. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, so you can see here I've got information about this is an older blog, so it doesn't have all of my new formatting on it. And that's one thing that I do is while I'm going in and putting coupons, I update the blog posts to be, so this is in the old days, a couple months ago before WordPress Gutenberg rolled out across all of the WordPress channels. This had the classic editor, and now I'm updating everything to the new Gutenberg blocks, which I absolutely love. But let's just say I want to put in the Groupon link to Madame Tussauds. Okay, couple ways I can do this. Let me just move this up here so that it looks a little bit cleaner, more like my new formatting. Let me grab that. Okay, let me move that image. All right, so typically what I do, let me just get rid of it. All right, so typically what I do is I go over to YouTube and I find a video that has the shared licensing on it that I'm permitted to use. I'll put an intro, and then down here I'll put a video. Okay, so let's just say the video's here. We'll do that later. Then what I would do is I go over here to Groupon, and I can do this a couple of ways. So I'm on the page that I want, and all I have to do is go up here to Groupon bookmark. Then I'm going to say I'm going to put this on my Ballen Vegas website. Now, first you have to go to Groupon and set yourself up as a Groupon partner. And I want everybody to understand that not all advertisers approve all affiliates because they want to see that you're in a similar niche. They want to see that you're going to represent their brand a certain way. So they look at your website, they look at traffic, things like that. They look at whether or not maybe you have a business license or a reputable blog or your tax ID number did you set up. So you'll have to explore the regular, how that works. I got set up for Groupon, I want to say immediately, but it could have been a couple of days. So I'm going to choose that. Now, I can choose the HTML link or I can do a direct link. So let me show you what HTML link looks like. These are not very pretty. They're not pretty like the widgets are. But I'm going to go here to plus and I'm going to say HTML, add a content block. I'm on WordPress Gutenberg. If you need a WordPress website like mine, reach out to me or look at my links below for some options. I'm going to paste this right in here and then we're going to look at preview. Okay, so not the prettiest link there. So another way you can do this is you can actually make it pretty. You could put in an image of a coupon and put a link up there, or you can take advantage of WordPress Gutenberg's buttons. So what I like to do is go here, click the little plus sign, and add a button. Now here I can paste the URL. So I'm going to go in here, and I'm just going to grab the direct link URL to Groupon, and I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm going to put the text in here. Madame Tussauds Actually, I'll put Groupon. Wax Museum. And then I'm going to make this button. What website am I on? I'm on my real estate website. So I'll make that button blue and centered. And I like this one better. Okay, and then all we have to do after that, you can actually save this as a reusable block. If it's a coupon you're going to use over and over again, you can save this, and then you can just drop it back in there later. But in my case, I'm just going to save it there that one time. And you can do it like this. Now, Groupon also has the ability to create widgets, okay? So we go over here to our Groupon partner network. We get logged on. And now here you can go to use their link generator. You can use a hot deals widget. You can do text and banner links. You can do a category widget, okay? So if we're going to do a category widget, click Get Widget. And I'm going to say, okay, I want this to be for North America. I'm in Las Vegas. And I'm going to choose Las Vegas. And then what category do you want? I want things to do. Then you can choose what size you want your banner to be. Do you want it to be a square like that? Okay, or do you want it to be long and horizontal like this? Okay, so then we can just get that code. The drawback is with this one is it doesn't have the ability to pull in just the Groupons you want. Like with Viator, you can actually choose the tours you want to show up in that widget, which I actually really like. With Groupon, this is great for any of your things to do blogs that you just want to have a things to do Groupon. You can just hit undo. Okay, there we go. Copy that, and I'll show you what this looks like. So we go back down here, pick your spot you want your banner on. Let's go down here, click plus, and then we're going to grab that HTML code again. Just paste it right there. Click preview. And let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. It's not going to be perfectly clean because I've got to go back in and finish my editing on this old editor. I love Gutenberg. I'm obsessed with Gutenberg. So there's our button. You can play with all those colors. Make the font white. Make it the background white. This would actually be better with a white background if it's going to be black text. And then down here is our banner. So it's sized right. It looks good. If it was on mobile, it would adjust down to mobile and it will look good. And I really like that. So I would suggest on any of your things to do blogs that you're doing that. And then there's other categories here. You know, you've got your restaurants and dining and getaways and spas and things like that. But from what I saw, the highest percentage of commission is 10%, which comes from the things to do. So I'm really going at the things to do affiliates for me because my real estate website is number 1 or number 2 hyper locally here. And a lot of that traffic comes from the things to do items and the holiday events and things like that. So it's time now to start really taking advantage of these types of things on the website. So that is how you can use Groupon Partner Network to become an affiliate and make money on your blog.